Imagine someone says that I'll never be angry with you. Imagine your wife tells you that I'll never be angry with you. You'll be smiling all day. They say, the navigation, they say it's the only woman that redirects you politely when you make a mistake. Otherwise, if you make a mistake, you had it. Imagine your wife says, I'll be happy with you forever and forever. I'll never get angry. You'll be smiling every day in the masjid, mashallah. Allah is saying that I'll be happy with you forever and forever. That is indeed a great reward. It is indeed a great pleasure that now Allah is on your side. And when Allah is on your side, no one can go against you. No one can harm you. No one can hurt you. But to get Allah on our side, the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam that I just recited, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Ta'arraf ilallahi fil raha, ya'rifka fi shidda." The entire hadith starts with Abdullah ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. He says, I was riding behind Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Yabna ammi," that, oh my nephew, listen to me. He was a young boy, 12, 13 years old. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam is teaching him iman. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam is teaching him how to protect his amal, how to preserve his deeds. And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam tells him that, Yabna ammi, listen to me attentively, that if you remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in your easy days, Allah ta'ala will remember you in your difficult days. That protect the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah ta'ala will protect you. Ta'arraf ilallahi fil rakha'i ya'rifka fi shidda, wa'alam anna al-ummata law ijtama'u ala an yanfa'uka bi shay'in lam yanfa'uka illa bi shay'in qad katabahu Allahu lak. And then remember that if you have fulfilled the commandments of Allah, you have preserved the deeds that Allah Ta'ala has told you to preserve, and Allah Ta'ala has announced His pleasure for you, then the entire humanity can come against you, they cannot harm you. They will not be able to harm you because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has not written it for you. On the other side, if you do not protect the commandments of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, you do not do what Allah tells you to do, then the entire humanity comes to save you. Allah Ta'ala wants to harm you, nobody can save you. This is indeed the preservation of our deeds. The fruits of the preservation of our deeds is in fulfilling the commandments of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala continuously.